Transitions and animations can be used to have your slides change in an interesting way, or to have objects on your slides move around in an interesting way. I generally would not recommend these for professional presentation. They can often detract from your message, and in a professional setting, your audience is probably there for a reason, and they don't really want to get distracted by unnecessary animations and things moving around. For more informal presentations, however, they can sometimes be useful. Transitions are where your slides change in an interesting way, such as sliding across the screen or appearing from the middle, for example. You can easily add transitions to your slides by going to the Transitions tab and using this section here called Transition to this slide. Here, there's plenty of options. There's subtle, there's exciting, and there's dynamic content ones. So right now we'll just do a basic one. We'll make the slide push up and it will look like that. Or if we do wipe, it'll come in from the side, or fade. And whenever we transition from this slide to this slide, that's what we'll see. You can also add a duration, so if we want to slow it down, or add a sound that will come up, such as applause, and make it take 5 seconds. You can also select for your slide to transition automatically. Say if you wanted to speak just for 30 seconds, we could enter that here, and it will automatically transition after 30 seconds when we're presenting. Animations involve giving the objects on your slide an interesting way to appear and exit from the slide. You can easily add an animation to an object by selecting the object and choosing from these animation options. We've got entrance, we've got emphasis, and we've got exit. So let's do a fly in and a float out. Transitions and animations should be used sparingly in a professional setting, but they do have their uses at times. An interesting way to use animations in the professional world is to have your bullet points only appear after each click. So you click once and your first bullet point comes up, you click twice and your second one comes up, you click 3 times and your third one comes up. This can be really useful when you don't want your audience to read ahead and you want them to focus on one bullet point at a time. You can animate your bullet points by selecting the text box and then just selecting one of the animations. And now it will know to appear only after a click. So if we use Shift F5, it's only when we click do they come up.